Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over what it looks like when an online order is placed and when it comes into the workstation. We're going to go ahead and place an online order here. We're going to choose pickup. We're going to make it for as soon as possible. Start. Bring up an entree here. I do have upselling turned on, so it's asking me, it's noticing that there isn't a beverage on this order, so it's asking me if I want one. I'm going to go choose yes. If you don't know what the upselling feature is, please search for my video on the upselling. Okay, so I'm going to go to checkout here. Go ahead and type in information here. Please do not email me at anthembustesting@gmail. I do not monitor that email. And I'm going to choose to pay for it in person. I'm going to place the order. Now, once you submit the order, it's going to give you a screen, kind of a confirmation screen, telling you what was placed, give you a chance to add comments and rate it. Now let me show you what the email looks like real quick. Okay, so we have our email here. We're going to select it. So this is the receipt via email. Kind of see what that looks like here. Gives us the pickup time and everything, pickup location. Now let's take a look and see what that looks like on the workstation. Okay, now that we're on the workstation, now we see we have the online orders room, and we have a 1 next to it, which means there's an order waiting there. And here it is, Jane Doe online orders, placed at 240, so we'll select that. And this shows us the customer information in case you need to call them. Then it shows the order here. Let me show you what the kitchen ticket would have looked like. So we can do a reprint, kitchen orders, and do a preview. So the kitchen order is going to show that it's an online order, and then it shows the customer information, contact info. Now, sometimes your settings may be that that you have to manually close after collecting payment, and sometimes it automatically closes. So do keep an eye out for that, because if it doesn't automatically close, like we'll go ahead and let's say the customer's here paying for it, so we'll just go ahead and pay with cash. So it auto closed it for us because that's still grayed out. So, but if you ever see that not grayed out, that means you need to manually close it. All right, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.